How to create Binance account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to create your Binance account. So in order to create your Binance account, first of all you need to install the application. For that, head over to your respective app store and then on the search box type in Binance, click the install button. In my case, I already have installed it due to some security concern. The interface won't appear, so I'm just going to instruct you. So when you actually open up your Binance application, it's going to ask you either to log in with your Google account or manually type in your email address. If you want to go with the Google account, then all you have to do is just provide in the Google account and automatically your account will be set. And after that, you only have to do is verify your identity. And if you want to go with the email, then you have to manually enter in the email address, create a password, create a username, and you also need to verify your identity. So when you're done verifying your identity, it's going to take you to the home page indicating that you've successfully created your account, which is going to look something like this. That is how simple it is to create a Binance account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.